What's your name?
My name is David.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one son.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What's your address?
My address is 25 King Street.
What's your phone number?
It's 123-456-789.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What's the date today?
It's March 5th.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping at the mall.
How much is this book?
It's $5.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
How often do you play sports?
I play sports twice a week.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play a little.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't drive.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying English.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm very busy.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
No, I prefer juice.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I love cats.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually visit my family.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I went to school.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I watched a movie.